Hi, I'm Sean with Amped Up Marine Solutions, and today we are going to be unboxing the Garmin 8616xsv. When you open up the box, you will have your mounting template, your screen cover, documentation, trim covers for the top and bottom of the unit, the unit itself, and we'll get back to some details on this unit here shortly. And at the very bottom of everything, after you get through all the nice packaging Garmin does, you will have another box with your power cables, flush mount gaskets, a 6-foot NEMA 2000 drop cable with AT, mounting hardware, and ferrite collars to reduce interference. Getting back to the unit, you have a rubber gasket for when mounting the unit. You do not damage the unit as it is a all glass face display. 16-inch diagonal display, full HD 1080p. It is an IPS display, so you can see it with polarized sunglasses without washing out. It has a nice bright display. Thin mounting profile when flush mounted. On the back side of the unit, you have your power input. You have a micro USB, 12-pin sonar, LVS sonar port for the LVS 12 live scope. You have a 8-pin sonar port. You have NEMA 2000 and J1939 across the bottom. Moving on up here, you have 2 network ports, HDMI in, HDMI out, analog video, and your audio and NEMA 0183 output, which is a separate cable that needs to be purchased separately. If you are going to gimbal mount this unit, it does not come with the bracket. The bracket is an optional accessory for gimbal mounting. This unit has an internal GPS sensor as well as dual micro SD cards located behind this cover here on the back of the unit. And that wraps up the unboxing of the Garmin 8616xsv. I'm Sean from Amped Up Marine, and thanks for watching.